প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, এখন আমরা আলোচনা করব ক্লাস 6-এর রায় মার্টিন কোশ্চেন ব্যাংক ইংলিশ থেকে মডেল কোশ্চেন পেপার 3 বিষ্ণুপুর হাই স্কুল রিডিং কম্প্রিহেনশন সিন। প্রথমে রিড দ্য টেক্সট কেয়ারফুলি অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার দ্য ফলোয়িং কোশ্চেন্স। এ দাগে টিক দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার from the given alternatives. Number 1, the narrator had passed the magic shop. Option C, several times. Number 2, on the shop counter there were several dash balls. Option uttor hobe C, crystal balls. B dage dekho, write T for true and F for false statements in the boxes. Number 1, there were magic lights on the floor. এর উত্তর হবে false, F. Number 2, the father and the son went to the shop to buy some magic items. এটা true হবে, T. C, answer the following questions. Number 1, what was the name of the narrator's son? উত্তর হবে the name of the narrator's son was Gip বা Jeep. Number 2, how was the magic shop? Uttor hobe it was a little narrow shop, not very well lit. But the magic shop was a little narrow shop, it was not very well lit. 2, read the following passage and answer the question. A, tick the correct answer from the given alternatives. Number 1, the accident occurred. উত্তর হবে অপশন ডি, 4 months ago. Number 2, after the accident Mr. Roy was hospitalized with, উত্তর হবে অপশন বি, broken limbs and injured collarbone. Reading comprehension unseen. 3, read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. A, complete the following sentences with information from the passage. তার উপরের প্যাসেজটা আগে ভালো করে পড়ে নিতে হবে, তারপর এই নিচের শূন্যস্থানটি পূরণ করতে হবে উপরের প্যাসেজ থেকে তথ্য নিয়ে। A, number 1, whenever a guest came to the man's house, উত্তর হবে the parrot urged the servant to serve tea. উত্তর হবে the parrot urged the servant to serve tea. Number 2, the rich man kept the bird. উত্তর হবে in a cage. B, write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1, the parrot could not speak. উত্তর হবে এটা false, F. The bird was kept in the cage for more than 2 years. এটা উত্তর হবে true, T. C, answer the following questions. Number 1, what did the rich man do with the bird at last? The rich man felt for the bird and set it free. The rich man felt for the bird and set it free. এরপর রয়েছে গ্রামার অ্যান্ড ভোকাবুলারি। Number 4A, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 1, he is walking in the garden. Number 2, Rupa wrote the letter last night. B, put the countable and uncountable nouns given in the list in the appropriate boxes. Countable nouns হবে biscuit and river, uncountable noun হবে hair and oil. C, fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the help box. One is given extra. Number 1, Amol is the dash of Bimol. Amol is the cousin of Bimol. Number 2, the cat is a dash animal, lazy animal. D, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Number 1, distribute the mangoes dash the students, among the students. Number 2, put the book dash the table, on the table. E, underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Number 1, he spoke loudly, এখানে loudly adverb. Number 2, I will come soon, এখানে soon adverb. F, identify the types of following sentences. Number 1, oil floats on water, it is statement বা assertive sentence, statement বা assertive sentence, assertive, A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E, assertive sentence. Number 2, why did you forget to bring your homework copy, এটা question বা interrogative sentence, question বা interrogative sentence. 5, find out words from the unseen passage, question number 3, that mean the following. Number 1, crime, nearest meaning offense, O-F-F-E-N-C-E, offense. Number 2, independence, এর উত্তর হবে freedom, F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom.